I'm Christian, and I handle communications for Metaculus. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps for submitting an essay to a Fortified essay contest. In this case, we'll use the example of the Solar Fortified essay contest. Fortified essays are a great way for forecasters to share some of the thinking behind their forecasts, as well as explore some of the implications. We're going to also talk about some of the functionality that's available in the essay editor itself. If you haven't already, register for the contest that you're interested in entering, at which time you'll see a prompt to start writing your first draft. Here you can add a title and start mustering your arguments. I recommend saving almost immediately. This will activate the word counter and the forecast question counter. You'll notice now that it's keeping track of the words. In this case, the Solar Fortified Essay Contest got a max of 1,500 words allowed, and you have to add at least 3 forecasting questions. If you don't add these and you try to submit, it'll just tell you to correct the error and resubmit. There are a few things you can do when you add a new line. Click the plus symbol, and this first icon here allows you to add a forecast and embed it in your essay. So you can select one that is appropriate for your argument. You can search for one. Once you've made your selection, pick your chart type, decide whether to show your own prediction or not, community prediction or not, and you can also freeze a prediction at a certain date. You'll see now that I've added a forecast question and the counter has gone up. I can also add images to bolster my argument. I can add a horizontal line to create some structure. I can open up a LaTeX formula field and add an equation. I can also format the text that I put in here by highlighting it and bolding it, italicizing it, formatting as a code, maybe changing it to a header, or to a block quote. And if I have some unformatted LaTeX, I can highlight that and have it formatted for me. Of course, I can add links. Once your essay is in good shape, save it and click Next. Be notified that your essay is in draft mode. You can come back and edit your essay. Once you submit it though, it's out of your hands. That said, you can submit up to 5 essays in the case of the Solar Fortified Essay Contest. So you'll see once I have an active essay in development, I have to scroll down here to see my essays and see that it includes my forecast question, and I have the option of starting another essay. We've already received some great submissions, and we're really excited to see what else the community produces. Thank you.